Hi, let us understand how to do the installation of Istio as a part of AWS EC2 instance. Already I have provided a video in the end of this course on how to start an EC2 instance and how to log into the EC2 instance. For the demo purpose, I have started an EC2 instance of type m5ad.large with the operating system Ubuntu. And the reason why I have selected m5ad.large is it's having NVMe SSD, which is going to give extraordinary performance when I am running the pods within it. Let me log into the instance. So this is the instance. Let me copy the public DNS. I'm going to use putty. Let me have the host name copied. And as a part of the appearance, I'm going to change the appearance so that I will have better font. And as a part of connection, I'm going to change the keep alive value as 30 so that it's going to send null packets every 30 seconds and it will keep the session alive. And as a part of data, I'm going to use the user ID Ubuntu. And within SSH authentication, I'm going to select the key. This is the key I used while creating the instance. Let me save the session and log into the instance. I'm into the instance. Now first I'm going to do the installation of Minikube. Then I will proceed with the installation of Istio. Let me change the user as super user. And the Minikube installation instruction is very clearly available as a part of Kubernetes website. I will be adding all the commands that I'm using as a part of the resources so that you can download it anytime and reuse them. You don't need to note down the commands and concentrate on the session. Now I'm going to do the installation of kubectl, which is the command line interface to operate on Minikube. So it's going to download the installable from this specific location and do the installation. The installation of kubectl is done. Let me provide execute permission for kubectl. Chmod, execute permission, and then kubectl. Now I'm going to move the kubectl executable as a part of a bin directory. Move kubectl into the directory /user/local/bin/kubectl. And I'm going to do the installation of Docker. This is required, the reason because I'm going to start the Minikube as a part of this system without using any VM driver. So Docker is essential. Let me go ahead and do the update of the system and do the Docker installation. Sudo apt update and install docker.io. I will give the flag -y so that it doesn't ask for any confirmation in the middle. Docker installation is done. Now I'm going to do the installation of Minikube, the same as it will download the Minikube, change the permission and move Minikube as a part of a bin directory. So all three steps will get executed in a single command. Minikube is downloaded and it is moved as a part of the bin directory. Now I can check the status of Minikube using the command Minikube version. This is the version that is running within this specific system. And before starting the Minikube, without any driver, I need to have installation of contract and it's a connection tracking feature as a part of Linux kernel. This is required if I am not going to use the driver while starting the Minikube. Let me go ahead and do the installation of contract command apt install contract. The installation is done. Now I'm going to start the Minikube without any driver. The command is minikube start --vm-driver equal to none. The installation of Minikube is done. Let me go ahead and check the status of Minikube. Minikube status. The host kubelet API server is running and kubeconfig is also configured. With this as the base, I'm going to do the installation of Istio. So in a quick summary, we saw how to do the installation of Minikube as a part of AWS EC2 instance. And as already mentioned, please do make sure the pricing involved as a part of the EC2 instances and continuously check the pricing. Using this specific system, I'm going to go ahead and do the installation of Istio in the next lecture.